Good morning. This is a short tutorial that will be going over how to navigate through our lessons on modeling the solar system. It will probably be in two parts because of the time limit of the screencast that I'm doing. And so I'll make sure that everybody has access to both parts. So to get started with, when you log into Google Classroom, you will be at a page that looks like this. I happen to be in third period, but you may have a different period. You click over to classwork, and what you will see is this page, and attendance will be at the top. And just remember to take care of attendance if you're in class that day. And then we will scroll down to investigation 6.2, which is in space systems exploration. And when we open that up, I'm going to go to the assignment. Well, I'll just scroll down to here. And what you have is some information that you'll see, and there'll be several links. The two links that you'll be filling information out on are the lesson link and the planet characteristics data table. And then this link, NASA Solar System Exploration and Sky Marvel's Solar System Explanation, are both website links that you can use to explore and do some research on the planets. I'm going to click into the lesson first and show you how I would encourage you to fill this out. And just remember, when you open that, it opens up a new tab. So I've got my classroom tab here, and my new tab for the lesson is right here. Now, as we scroll through this, I've set it up because I would like you to ideally take care of the questions as they come and work through them in this format, because it'll help document your thinking and the progression of your learning. And so the first pieces that I do need are your first and last name and class period. After that, you'll do this short little reading, which is an introduction, and then there's a short video introduction that asks you to think about how planet formation occurs. And then there are three questions here that you'll fill out to the best of your knowledge. If you don't know the answer to one of these questions, you can absolutely write in, "I don't know," because that is where you're currently at, and that's your thinking. Then you're going to scroll down into investigation 6.2, where you're going to be looking at the diameter of planetary bodies. There are some guiding questions here to think about before you actually start your research. And so, again, answer them to the best of your knowledge. And if that is a question mark or an "I don't know," that is completely fine. Then as you scroll down, you'll get to this point where it says to begin your research, and there's a screenshot of a data table. Now, in the next video, I'm going to walk through in detail the data table so that it's clear, but I'm going to finish up this form. So after you do your research, it's going to ask you some questions about organizing your thinking around planets in size and diameter, and then reviewing the composition and features. And I'm going to explain what those are in the other video. And then you're going to move into actually creating a scaled model. And what I have here are some different equations that you can use. Actually, let me correct myself. I'm giving you one equation that you can use to create your scaled planet diameter. I have the equation here, and then right below, I have a video that walks through how to use the equation if you just want to check your understanding, and you can watch that over and over and over again. And then the next piece is where you're going to work on figuring out how you want to build your scaled model. And the example I'm using is with a quarter, and my video here walks through that piece also. And then you'll answer these final few questions about scaling and creating your planet model. And then you're going to upload a picture or a short video describing your model. And then you'll hit submit. So this is the form that you'll be filling out for lesson 6.2. And the next lesson will also be a similar format. So I'm going to end this video here, and then I will set up my next video to do the other part. So thank you very much.